Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make fruit custard trifle. You can serve it as a dessert, you can eat it as a sweet dish, and you're absolutely going to love it because it is rich with fruits. Like if you're a fruit lover, you're absolutely going to love it. And as it is healthy for children, you can give them without any hesitation. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I have taken a pan, I've poured 1 liter full fat milk, and with that, I'm gonna add some sugar. Like I've added 1/4 cup of sugar into it. And now I've turned the stove on low flame. I'm going to mix it quite well so that the sugar is completely dissolved into the milk. Now we're gonna let the milk to get boil, and now we're gonna move towards the next procedure or the part. I've taken 1.5 milk cup and I've taken some custard and I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna mix it quite well so there are no clumps or no like solid material of custard into it. With that, I'm gonna mix this mixture quite well, and now I am going to add the custard. While adding the mixture of milk and custard, you have to stir the milk quite well so that the custard will not create some clumps or like solid form. And now there would be no globs of custard into it. So mix it quite well. Mixing is quite necessary in any recipe. And once it's mixed, we're going to move towards the next part. We're going to take some cake. I've taken some small pieces of cake, the tea cake that's available at any supermarket. You can just bring it up and just convert it into smaller pieces. So we're going to place this cake into a ball, like a presentable ball. With that, I'm going to add some fruits. Like I have a mixture of fruit. I've taken a lot of mixed fruits and I've cut it into smaller pieces, and I'm going to add it in this bowl. With that, I'm going to take the jelly. Like this is the jelly. I've taken a red and green jelly. So it's up to you, whatever the flavor you like to eat. The jelly flavor, it's up to you. You can add whatever the flavor you want. You can add whatever the fruit you like. If you don't like apples or like bananas, you can just skip that. So we're gonna add this jelly. While I'm adding this jelly, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. Okay, let's get back towards the recipe. Now I've taken the custard which I made before, and I'm gonna add it on the top of the mixture of fruits and the top of like the cake which I've added in the bowl. I'm gonna add custard, and now we're gonna spread it evenly. So spread it evenly, and now you can like decorate it with fruits, like garnish it. It's not actually garnish, but like decorate it with fruits, with some jelly, and it's up to you whatever you like to decorate it with. So I can see I have decorated the jelly. Now I'm going to take some cream. I'm going to mix it quite well with the help of a spoon. You can just take a beater or beat it with the help of the beater, but I'm like beating it with the help of a spoon, and I'm going to spread it all over my custard, and that's going to give it a good decoration. Now just place it into the refrigerator and let it chill for like 1 hour, and after that you can enjoy it. Serve it in front of your guests, as it's a healthy snack, it's a healthy food. You can give it to your children. If your children are like a sweet lover, they're absolutely going to love it. And do try this recipe. And if you have any query related to any video, just comment down, share it with your friends so that they can get access to my videos. And thanks for watching. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.